Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 11 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So first of all, we have to open the camera app, and I hope that you can see this special type of grid line. I've applied it before I've started the recording, and it is because I'd like to show you the visual evidence that the reset option will work. So basically after that it should disappear. Let's enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner, and a quick disclaimer, it does not really matter on which mode you will be, so you can be on the photo, video, portrait, etc. So three bars icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Restore Defaults and confirm it. As you can see, we are still in the settings, so everything looks like nothing happened, but after getting back to the camera, you can see that the grid lines disappeared, which simply means that we just successfully reset all camera settings. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.